This is my first time with ZBrush and 3D Sculpt in general. The fact that the course was made step by step was really helpful because they teach how to do nose, ears, some anatomical basis also. I am Antonella Amodio. I'm from Italy. I'm studying computer engineering. I've always liked art. I've chosen to go first with the Zbrush Fundamentals and then with the Stylized Characters program because I don't know how to use ZBrush. The first program about 2 weeks and then I rushed to Stylized Characters program. So I've just searched on YouTube, on Google, on everything, concept, and this popped out. The face, the community helped a lot because I don't know how to do some proportions and they fixed. I want to make a full character. The fact that they teach you how to texture it and render and the final presentation, that was expecting for. The fact that every 2 weeks there is a Q&A is a good thing because every module you have to complete some steps and they can review these steps before you can continue. In the Q&A, if I had a problem, I can publish on community and a lot of people, the instructors and also the alumni can help you. I received a lot of feedbacks and a lot of help with my problems. This course is good to start from zero and to learn how to sculpt well and quick, because in 3 weeks you can make complete characters from zero.